Welcome to day one of our Flutter beginner series. In this session, we are going to install Flutter on our device, configure necessary tools, and create our first project, and then finally run it on physical device at simulator. I will be showing you how to run this Flutter app on a simulator. You can do similar on your device, or you can use physical device. To get started with Flutter, you can hop over to the Flutter's official website and select your platform, and then you can proceed downloading the Flutter SDK as shown in the video. I will also put the link and other related stuffs in the description, and it will take some time to download the Flutter SDK. If you face any problem while following any step, comment and I will get back to you. In the meanwhile, we can continue downloading other required stuffs like VS Code and Git. I will also provide link for these in the description. Select your device type and download the Git. And in my case, I have ARM65 device, so I downloaded it. It might be different in your case. Now also download the VS Code. VS Code is required for the development to write code. Installing VS Code is easy. Just double click on the downloaded item and then click on continue. This is one of the most important step. Just check all the items and then you are ready to go. Click continue, and that's all. You have now successfully installed VS Code. Now we extract the Flutter SDK. Just double click on it and you can extract it. You can use any kind of extraction software for this. Now let's quickly download the Android Studio. Link for this given in the description. Now select the terms and condition and click download. It will take some time to download. Now we move the Flutter SDK to local disk C. It takes some time to copy over there. After it is complete, we double click on the Flutter and go to the bin folder and copy the folder name, and we need to edit on the system variables. You can follow the steps shown in the video and you will be able to edit on the system path. Now quickly open the terminal and type Flutter Doctor to ensure Flutter is installed properly. No error means we are good to go. Now let's open the downloaded Git installation file. It is also straightforward. Just click on next, and then at the end click on install. That's it. You don't need to do anything extra for installing Git. Follow the instruction I provided on the screen. Now quickly install the Android Studio that we downloaded earlier. It is also as simple as clicking next button, so it will be visible in the screen. That's it. We don't need to do anything extra. Click on next. Try creating a new project and it will prompt you to download the SDK manager. It shows some error on my device, but it won't be like this in your case. It will be just straightforward. This is because I am using the Windows simulator. So if you get the similar errors, you can just follow what I did on the screen and you will be ready to go. Just download the SDKs as shown in the screen. It will take some time to download SDK. Ignore the errors and just continue. We'll create a new project just to ensure we have downloaded all the required SDK and stuffs. So after you open this, click on SDK manager, go to SDK tools, and then click on Android SDK command line tools. This is required for the Flutter development. It will take some time to download and install. Now we will open VS Code and install the required extensions. You just need to click on the extension icon as shown in the video, search for Flutter and install it. It will also automatically download the Dart extension, but we can ensure it again by searching for Dart and installing it manually. So in my case, it's already installing. We need to download other extension. So this widget snippets will make our life easier while developing. Just download these two extension. You can open command palette by clicking on view command palette, or you can use command shift P or control shift P in Windows and open the command palette. Type new Flutter project and then click on application or empty application. We will click on application in this case. Select a folder and select your project name. I have typed lesson 1. Your Flutter project is ready and you don't need to do anything extra. Now we will download Android emulator. Go on device manager, create new virtual device, click on any of the device, select the latest API version, select as I have done in the video, then click on continue. Then it will take some time to download. So after the download is complete, click on place and your emulator is ready. Now go to VS Code and click on devices on bottom right corner and select your recently created device. Go to main.file and then click on F5. It will run it on the emulator you just created. Wait for some time and your Flutter project will open and you are ready to go. In the next video, we will start by editing this demo Flutter project and learn more about the Flutter. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel and like this video.